right, who called?
Sorry.
Who called?
My husband.
Where's he? Is he inside?
Yeah, he's...
Can I talk to him for a minute?
Yeah, there he is.
All right, deputy.
Right out the gate, this scene is chaos. 1 minute it's a family argument. The next it's turning into a full-blown domestic battery investigation. And trust me, deputies are already watching everybody's behavior very closely.
All right, Deputy Richardson with the Sheriff's Office.
In the
Hi.
house before.
I don't think I've been here before, but I...
That woman just attacked me because she's mad at her ex-boyfriend over who has a baby. And she has damaged my property, and she's bit me, and she's hit me in the
Where'd she
face
bite
with
you
her
at?
fist here once and down here on my leg.
Do you have any marks or anything like that? Okay.
Probably not.
Right.
Yeah, looky there. I want you to come see my bedroom door.
Okay. Hang on just a second. We'll take care of that here in just a second, okay? Okay. All right. All right, Ashley, go and stand up for me.
She's gonna try. I'm sorry.
Better not bite me. We're gonna have issues.
No. Let her please.
You have any shoes? None? Hey,
Please.
go.
She's an old dog. I love her.
Mom me again about my son. Mom me again about my son.
God, Ashley.
Mom me again about my son.
Caddy 56, I've got one. Get in the car. You have anything on you? Caddy 56, I've got one.
You did it, Mom.
Look what she did to my door when she was trying to get in to keep me from calling 911.
Okay. When did this happen? Just
30 minutes
In the
ago.
back room.
okay. And who is this to you?
I'm
married to him, and
Now
that's...
this is important. Notice how the deputy changes the wording from simple battery to domestic battery. That changes everything legally. Tougher consequences, mandatory procedures, and way less officer discretion.
Married to him, and that's my daughter.
That's your
From a
dog.
different marriage, yes.
Okay. So you're, I guess, technically stepdad.
Yeah, that's
I
what
don't
it
like
is.
to
Okay.
use that word.
I understand.
Well,
Hey,
he does,
but
except that she's just ornery.
For-
Very mean.
for me, this is going to be instead of a battery situation, it's a domestic
It already
situation.
is.
So- All right. Now that we've calmed down a little bit, is there anything on your person? Nothing at all. Why'd you pull away from me like that?
My mom mocked me about my son that I got took 2 years ago.
I don't care. That's another charge. You understand that, right? You understand pulling away from me is another charge. You're stacking your own charges on. Now, what are your injuries from? You don't know?
Just fell down.
Just fell down. So what's the deal with what's happened here today?
Well, I was watching my nieces and nephews, and my mom mocked me. I was video chatting my son, and I was like, I had to have my son a minute, but they'll let me video chat him, and
60-13, I just pulled in my drive, but
and then I said something about my son, and then she mocked me. I didn't like the way that she was sarcastic.
At this point, the officers already see multiple red flags: emotional instability, physical injuries, damaged property, and resistance during detention. That combination almost always ends with handcuffs.
She was sarcastic about mocking me, so it's my son. I hadn't seen him forever. Like, why would you mock me about something I said caringly about my son? Why would you mock me about it? Don't mock me about it.
What'd you do to him?
I don't necessarily remember. He come at me, he tried to tackle me, so I pushed him back.
I mean, he's got a lot more than just looking like you attacking
No,
him
literally,
back.
he tackled me, so I pushed him back. He's old. He tackled me, so I pushed him.
And here's the wild part. Even while being arrested, Ashley keeps escalating. Screaming, insults, demanding cigarettes. Every second like this can add more charges or make the situation worse in court later.
I pushed him.
All right, well, next time you go to get put in cuffs, don't pull away from me. First off, where's she live at? Does she live here?
No, she's not allowed to be here because she's on probation from having a fight with her mother about 1.5 years ago. I got a letter from the state's attorney saying that court was over, she's on probation, and she has it violates her probation to be on this property. She's staying with her sister in
I know where that's at. Yep.
33 miles south of here down on 37.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So she was here when I got home from work.
I'm listening. You're fine.
She was...
Excuse me, can I please have a cigarette? Can I have a cigarette, please? No. You're a bitch! Let me have a f***ing cigarette!
Hey! Blow up!
Shoot me then! You shoot me then! Yeah, you're a piece of shit! Choke me out!
What is your problem?
I want a cigarette.
Okay, chill out. When we get to jail, when we get to jail, you can have one.
No.
Pull her.
No. No.
Take her straight. Yeah.
I'll be back here in a little bit to get some more information from you.
Are you gonna buckle me in? You better buckle me in. You're against the law. Buckle me in, bitch. Buckle me in. Why are you not seatbelting me in? All right, give me your badge number. Yeah, give me your badge number. He ain't buckled me in. He's not buckled me in. And he's driving crazy. Better buckle me in. Buckle me in, bitch.
Quit!
Buckle me in. Buckle me in. I'm bleeding. You did it. I'm bleeding.
I understand. We're going to the hospital.
Please hurry. You didn't buckle me in. Please.
This moment actually gets pretty sad. Under all the yelling and chaos, you can hear somebody completely spiraling emotionally. Officers stay firm here because once emotions take over, situations can become dangerous fast.
You should have buckled me in, bitch.
Would you stop?
No. No, I won't. I'm angry. I'm going to jail.
Listen, if you spit on any of us when we get there, that's going to be another charge for you. You understand me?
Yeah, sorry. I'm very upset.
I don't care. You better cooperate when we get to the hospital. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. Was you here the last time I did the shit?
I was not. I don't know you from Adam.
I'm very hurt individually.
I don't care. This is ridiculous. The way you're acting is ridiculous.
Well, I'm not mentally right.
Well, that's a problem for you and the doctors, not for me. You've got to calm down and let me do my job.
Can I please have a cigarette?
You're not getting anything right now. You've busted your head all to pieces.
I didn't mean to.
I don't care. You're going to the hospital and they're definitely not giving you a cigarette.
My life is ruined. My life is ruined.
Ashley, they can get you the help you want. You just got to want it and you got to follow directions, okay?
Okay. I want it.
Well, I'm glad you want it. I want you to get it, but you've got to cooperate, okay?
Oh, yeah. I'm not okay.
Ashley, are we going to be cool? Promise? Come on. Don't spit. Don't do none of that crap, okay? We're going to be cool, right? We're not going to spit. We're not going to fight anymore. We're going to... So, is the door the only thing she's damaged today inside?
To my knowledge.
Okay.
I've walked around the sheds to make sure she didn't knock out when she gets mad. She breaks windows.
Okay.
Well, but I haven't found any broken windows.
Right. Your wife, was she around when all this happened?
Absolutely.
Okay.
What got me involved was that Ashley was screaming at her mother with anger and a lot of anger. And I've seen this too many times before. When Ashley starts doing that,
It gets bad.
it's going to happen.
WC56
I
County.
walked up to her and
I checked the computer. There's negative. Negative on the
you'll get your picture. I'm going to grab another beer.
Absolutely.
Ashley has an anger problem. Would you believe me?
I'd say a little bit.
She outweighs me by 50 pounds.
Right.
And I have emphysema.
Yep.
I've lost 69% of my lungs to emphysema, and she has 100% of hers.
Right. No, I believe it.
And she could have hurt me.
Yep. She showed up here, and then you stepped in.
Yes, Ashley became upset because her son is with her ex before his father.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that upset her. She started screaming and hollering, jumping up and down. But then she accused her mother of mocking.
And that right there is what investigators need. A clean timeline. Punching, biting, property damage, witness statements. By this stage, deputies are mentally building the probable cause for the final charges.
Mocking her. I never heard her mother mock her, but she accused her of making fun of her or mocking her, something along those lines. And she was starting to get onto her mother bad, and I've seen this happen before.
Right.
So I went up to her and said, hey, it's time to cool your shit. That's when she jumped me.
And when she jumped you, she did what?
She hit me in the face with her fist.
Closed fist?
Yeah. You're just like a man. And then her mother pulled her off, and her mother told me to go call 911. So I came in here and closed the door, but I didn't lock it. So Ashley follows me in here and attacks me again. Sandra got her off of me, and I closed the door again, and at that time I locked it. That's when she started trying to break the door down and put that hole in the door.
And she bit you when she came in here?
She bit me, yes, when she came in here the first time, and I forgot to lock the door. That was the only time she came in.
And she bit you in the leg, and where else?
She did bite me in 2 places. Well,
I thought you said the wrist or something like that.
Yeah, I don't have any marks, and it doesn't hurt. It was just one of those little things. I didn't feel it a whole lot.
The leg was completely different.
I felt the leg.
I bet you probably still feel the leg.
I do, a little bit.
Yeah. Hopefully you get that cleaned out good.
I will, after you're gone.
Yeah. So punched you in the face, bit you twice, didn't choke you, anything like that? Okay.
Damaged my door.
Damaged your door. Did you do anything to her in any way?
I defended myself.
I
She was
understand.
fighting me.
Okay.
I had hold of her hair to try to pull her away from my leg while she was chewing on
Okay.
me.
Yeah. No, I understand.
But I never hit her with my fist.
Okay. Come on.
All right, take me home.
I wish.
This is gonna be home for a while.
Hopefully not. Have a seat in that black chair on the far end.